Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to quickly show you how to remove all the designs on a particular photo, as you can see in this particular video. So guys, let's get right into this tutorial. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drag down to duplicate this layer so that you guys can see what I did later on. So after that, I'm going to try and locate what we call the patch tool. Then I click on the hamburger menu down there. You might see it somewhere else. I click on patch tool. Then the next thing I'll do is I'll select wherever I want to remove or erase from the image, and I would click on it. Right now I have to rasterize the image. It's not rasterized yet, so now you click and drag up, click, drag up, and continue the process until whatever you want to remove is completely gone. So we do the same thing for the other parts of the design as well. So just select everything just like we did with the upper part. Just click and drag until you remove all the unwanted pieces on the image. So that's it guys, that's how easy it is for you to remove any unwanted part of an image. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.